Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to justify text here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Justifying text in Adobe Express can improve the readability, aesthetics, and overall impact of your design. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can browse from these inspiring designs that you can begin your work. Or if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. Now, in Adobe Express, basically, the justification text is not as traditional as you might have in your other platform or software that you are familiar with. But of course, we're going to add a simple workaround for us to be able to achieve that effect. All right. Now, for that to happen, we're going to add a text here. Okay. And I'm going to make it like a little bit smaller. All right. Now, one of the easiest way for us to justify the text is going to the align. You can align on top, middle, center, right, center, or left. So it's all up to you. Now, if you do that here on the text, all right, say for example, this right here. You can do all this by clicking on the align. You can go for top, left, center, right, and bottom. So these are some of the justifications that you can explore when working with the text here in Adobe Express. Now, although it's kind of limited, this ensures that the text aligns evenly along both the left and right margins of the text box. Because, for example, if you shrink that in, you would notice that they are properly justified. And of course, you can just resize the text box to ensure the proper justification. The text will justify itself based on the width of this text box, all right? Now, the most important thing after doing all of this is once you are satisfied, just save your project or let the Adobe Express auto-save it and go to the upper right corner where you can download all of these by using all these formats. And if you want to share this amazing design, the justified text to your client, just click the share button, copy that link, and send it to him. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.